Hey everybody, just wanted to check in with you for today. Again, if you're new to me, I'm Zarah and I'm with Watercolor Wizardry, where we are building the academy for watercolor, starting with hyper realistic style. I am working on a workshop and I have a membership going on, and it's open for beta, which is we're at ground zero. So beta means you're coming in where it's kind of messy, and we're testing things and building things, and yeah, it would be awesome if you could join us. It would be great. You can find it at watercolorwizardry.com. Yeah, that's enough of introduction. Anyway, so I want to update you guys on what we did yesterday. Yesterday was cat grooming day, and I don't have the confidence on bathing my cats. I have two Persians from Castlegate Persians. One of them is Melania. She's a silver shaded Persian. She's actually a daughter of a national champion, and I'm very happy to have her. I love her very much. My other one is Sugar, and she is a brown tabby, also from Champion Lines. She's actually Melania's aunt, even though Sugar is a little bit younger. Yeah, so anyway, I'll share pictures of them, my favorite grooming pictures of them on the email, maybe on the show notes too, so you can see them. But yeah, so that was a long day because so in Seattle, there's plenty of, groomers pretty much that I could, and I went to a groomer that was pretty close to where I lived. But moving to Idaho, it's not as populated. So my groomer is about an hour and a half away in Bonners Ferry, and she's awesome. Her grooming is catnip getaway. Yeah, and so I share that on my Facebook page. I should share it on the. I don't know if I shared it on the Watercolor Wizardry page, but I'll share it over there too, so you can see. She's great. I love her, and yeah, we've been going to her for a year, maybe more. I forget. We go every 3 months, and yeah, so it's a whole trip. We head out there. It takes an hour and a half to drive over, and we drive through the snow too in the winter. But we make a day of it. We go to the Badgers restaurant in Bonners Ferry every time, and we have breakfast there, and then yeah, and then the cats get groomed. My God. In the morning, it's kind of funny because Sugar will try to hide. So we have to plan for, because they know when something's different, when something's going on. So yeah, we've gotten smarter to it. We close certain doors so that she can't hide in, especially my studio. There's a lot of nooks and crannies that she could hide in. But yeah, everything went well. Everything, yeah. So they're great. Feel so soft, and they smell so good, and I love them, and I snuggle with them. And Melania, especially, she's an escape artist. She knows how to get out of her carrier. I don't know how, because I even made sure that everything was locked down, and I don't know. She manages to get out, and so she rides with me in the car outside of the carrier, and it's so cute because she'll just snuggle, when I put her down on my chest. So adorable. So that's what we did yesterday. Oh, and I wanted to say that I'm planning on being in the Watercolor Wizardry Academy, the community, and there while I'm building the workshops. I have to set up my camera and remember how to do it because it's been a bit. So, but yeah, I'm excited about showing up in the community, and I'll be there while I'm working on the workshop. So I have a deadline to submit everything by the 16th, but I want to, obviously meet that deadline much earlier, because for Faith Mariah's bundle, I think it you get listed however soon you submit, I think. But in either case, my only goal is to at least make it in the bundle, because I'm just kind of remembering how to do everything again. And yeah, I'm giving myself plenty of grace. And yeah, so I'm excited about that. And I'm excited about sharing the process of building the workshop. And I still have to make decisions on how to package it. Yeah, so there's a lot of decision making going on because there's so many different ways I could do it. So, yeah, I just wanted to do an update. Those are 2 updates. Let's see. Any takeaways? I don't know. Just be consistent. All right. I'm just talking now. Okay, I will let you go. A lot of silliness. Okay, bye.